In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Whiteboard. For those who may not be familiar, Microsoft Whiteboard is a fantastic tool for brainstorming ideas and collaboration. The customization options available, including changing the background, can really elevate your digital workspace and help organize your ideas more effectively. So, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Whiteboard. This can be done from any major browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once you've found the start page for Microsoft Whiteboard, you'll notice a sign-in button. Go ahead and click on it. If you're already signed in to your Microsoft 365 account, you might be automatically logged in to Microsoft Whiteboard. If not, enter your email address, password, and any additional information required to log in. This will bring you into the world of Microsoft Whiteboard, where you can start creating and customizing your boards. Once you're in the application, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Settings cog icon. Clicking on this will open up a menu with various customization options. Among those options, you'll see Format Background. Select this to begin altering the appearance of your whiteboard. Now you're given the choice to change the color of the background. Selecting a different hue can greatly impact how your board looks and feels, potentially making it easier on the eyes or more vibrant to stimulate creativity, depending on your preference. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors until you find one that suits your needs and appeals to your desired aesthetic. Additionally, you have the option to enhance your whiteboard by adding grid lines. You can choose from arrow-ruled lines, wide-ruled lines, graph paper, or dot grids. These grid lines can be particularly useful if precision is required in your work, or if you're looking to keep your information neatly aligned and structured. Once you've made these changes, you'll want to make sure everything is set before finalizing. Simply close the Settings menu to apply your new background to the whiteboard. Your changes will be saved automatically, and you're ready to start using your beautifully customized Microsoft Whiteboard. And that's a wrap on changing the background in Microsoft Whiteboard. Customizing your whiteboard can make a significant difference in your workflow and presentation of ideas. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident in using these features to enrich your whiteboard experience. Happy brainstorming, and thanks for watching.